All set then for round 11, the Rally Catalunya, the Spanish round of the WRC, based once again in the holiday resort of Salou, an hour or so along the coast west of Barcelona. As already mentioned, the action gets underway in the Catalan capital. Thursday evening street stage shootout in the Montjuic district. Just over 3 kilometres of head-turning, tyre-screeching fun and games. Friday, the serious business gets underway. 6 stages, 2 loops of 3, predominantly tarmac, but with asphalt sections in the long Terra Alta test, almost 40 kilometres that. Then comes the overnight switch from gravel to tarmac, ready for Saturday. 8 stages, they're familiar but run in the opposite direction to last year. And Sunday, 4 tests, ending with the second run through the power stage, scene of Sébastien Ogier's infamous crash. So 19 stages in all, 320 kilometres against the clock, more than 1,000 in and around the Tarragona hills between stages.
Your expert overview of the entire rally. Get WRC Plus with live GPS map tracking now.